Active and passive voice, a nice grammar lesson for this writing lesson. So, active voice and passive voice both have their place. And as AP students, we're going to look at how the structure of a sentence, the syntax, can really create an effect. And so one is not really better than the other, except for if you're writing an academic paper, then you want to write an active voice. Passive voice makes your writing longer, a little harder to see your point, and so that's why I say it's not so good. So what is active voice and passive voice? Active voice is when the subject of the sentence is performing the action. For example, the dog chased the cat. The dog is my subject. What is the dog doing? He's chasing. He is performing the action of the sentence. Passive voice is when the action is performed on the subject, and you usually have to add in a prepositional phrase in order to make the sentence make sense. So the example, the cat was chased by the dog. In this sentence, the cat is the subject, was chased is the verb, but the cat is not chasing. The dog is. The dog, whatever is in the prepositional phrase, is performing the subject. And you can see that it's longer. It might sound better to you only for the mere fact that it's a longer sentence, but it's just not as clear as the dog chased the cat. So here we have some sentences, some practice sentences, and just for the sake of understanding the difference between active and passive, let's see if we can determine which one they are. The game was won by North Lincoln. Actually, you know what? All of these are passive voice, so let's talk about how to rewrite them into active voice. The first sentence, you could just say, North Lincoln won the game. Clear, concise, to the point. In number 2, you could rewrite it as, Retta read 4 books in 1 week. Number 3, rather than have this long sentence with a prepositional phrase, just say, the mechanic removed the spark plug. This one's silly to me. The salad dressing was tasted by Anna. Just say Anna tasted the salad dressing. And then this one's obnoxiously long too. Just say the watchdog jealously protected the building. So it's all about sentence structure, syntax, how you structure your sentence, but you want to do so in a very clear, condensed, concise way. An active voice lends for that. So you want to use active voice when you want to emphasize the person or the subject performing the action. Passive voice does have its place, and that's when you want to emphasize the action itself, not so much the person or subject. Don't shift between active and passive voice, especially within a sentence, unless your intent is to change your emphasis. But again, for the sake of the AP exam or any essay, academic essay that you write, you want to be that crystal clear. You want to focus on the subject, whatever it is, your topic, whatever it is you're talking about. So active voice is the more appropriate choice. And that's it. Let me know if I can help.